I don't even know how to describe this place.
Woohoo! Welcome to Iran.
This is wild. Way too much food. Good morning, everyone from Shiraz, Iran. I'm standing at the entrance to the Pink Mosque. This is a must-stop place on any visit to Iran. As soon as people wake up, they come here because the colors of the stained glass are so spectacular. This place is crazy. I didn't even know that Iranians got up this early, but apparently they're all here taking photos. This is Beaker in Shiraz. And this is definitely the most tourists I've seen in an entire week in Iran, and for good reason. This actually is a private mosque that was built by a wealthy trader, and you've got 12 pillars of Islam, but the star of the show is definitely the stained glass. So this being a private mosque, the rich guy basically did whatever he wanted. Typically the largest part of the mosque is facing Mecca, but that's not the case here. He decided that the part facing Mecca is going to be shorter. Typically in mosques you'll find symmetry, and here you'll notice that there's no door here, but there's a door here. No symmetry. Again, rich guy doing what he wants. And this mosque is not actually used for praying. It's basically a place for photo taking. I've only been in this city for an hour, but I can tell it's all about stained glass because this is a bus stop. Have you ever? What's the name of this place?
Naranjistan Qavam.
Which is?
Qavam himself was the ruling over Shiraz and the southern parts towards Persian Gulf.
The exterior is stunning, but the inside? Well, the inside is otherworldly beautiful. This house is a stunning work of art and seriously unlike anything I've seen so far in Iran. From ceiling to wall to floor panels, everything about this place is gorgeous. Soon it was time for lunch, and before eating, I met the chef.
Welcome to Iran. I hope that you will be happy in Iran. I'm glad to see you, inshallah. You and your country people comes to Iran very easy.
What exactly is inside of this monstrosity?
Inside there is chicken, saffron rice on it as well with plum and walnuts.
Oh yeah.
They expect me to eat all of this.
Exactly.
That's way too much food. Oh, look at that eggplant. It doesn't look very moist, but it is because there's a bunch of like grilled eggplants in there, walnut and cabbage, and the cabbage is very moist. The only way to possibly come close to finishing this is to pick at the good stuff. Yum.
سایز 1 در 1 خورمه صادراتی
Green almond?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's sour inside. It's a fruit, it's not an almond.
Well, in here we call it green almonds.
That's weird. So this one's different. That's a green tomato?
Yeah.
Do people get confused because the green tomatoes look just like the green almonds?
No, they are not. It's very obvious.
It's
They are
not very
different.
obvious.
It is obvious.
What? This one, it's like a nice fruit. It's delicious. There's a pit in the middle. Yeah. He's attractive?
Yeah.
He's not for sale. Next, we took an hour drive to Persepolis, Iran's most famous UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the ceremonial capital of the Achaemenid Empire. What a thrill to walk through the Gate of Nations, where visitors from different regions of the empire would enter and pay their respects to the king. Adapana Palace was the largest of the king's meeting halls and contains remarkable bas reliefs showing a procession of people paying tribute to the Achaemenid king. Next, we explored Tachara Palace, Darius the Great's private residence, and home to some of the best maintained cuneiform on the planet. After climbing some stairs, we got a bird's eye view of the massive treasury. Then, behind us, we found the stunning tomb of Artaxerxes III. Naqsh Rostam holds 4 massive tombs, including one for Darius the Great. This is wild. It kind of reminds me of Petra meets Alula. Driving back to Shiraz through the rural countryside, we picked up an adorable hitchhiker.
Salam.
Says, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, اسمش بیکره.
Beaker. I like your voice.
میگن صداتون خیلی خوبه.
Can you sing us a song?
همینجا پیانو که دخمون می.
No song? Okay.
پای نگاه کن. بلاترم بله حیات.
Bye.
دست در نکنه.
Back in town, we checked out an old caravanserai, which used to house traders on the ancient Silk Road, but now is used for souvenir shops. Then, to cap off an amazing day, we took a hike to the panoramic top of Shiraz. It's a bit of a trek to get to our destination, but the nature up here is incredible. It's cooler up here, the air is clean, and these evergreen trees smell so good. This is incredible. I was certainly not expecting a nature park at the top of Shiraz. Just when you thought you'd reached the top. No, my friend, just a little bit more. We're so close. It's right there.
Just a little bit rest.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. It's the home stretch, my friends. Look at the city below. I was told that there's nearly 4 million people, but until you get up here, you really have no idea the size of this place. One more thing. On my channel, I show the good people of countries the media tells us are bad. And with your support, I will continue to places like Syria and hopefully Palestine. So please subscribe to help me spread positivity. I'm about to get my hair cut in Iran. All right, let's do it. How much for a haircut?
$7.
What? You said 2.
Well, I thought that's what I pay usually.
I got a haircut for 30 cents in Pakistan.
No.
Goodbye.
Merci.
Merci.
See you later.
Bro.
زبان تو شیریست درنده که اگر اون رو رهاش کنی تو رو به هلاکت میرسونه انسان رو به هلاکت میرسونه اگر مدیریت نشد هر چی دوست داره بگه.
Next, we visited Shiraz's Pink Lake, which is so rich in salt that they call it a red tide. Are you excited for a romantic ride on the boat with me?
Definitely.
That didn't sound very convincing.
Yay! I'm looking for it.
No, that's too much. How much is the ride?
1 million riyals. $2.
$2. Beaker, can you make his face?
Give me the... Oh,
Beaker!
Beaker!
Okay, my friend. Is that the swan that you're happy with?
Yeah.
Is it clean enough?
It will.
Let's do this. Did you make a picnic for us?
Yeah,
Bring some Shiraz wine since we're only an hour away.
exactly.
You have some?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Don't.
Yeah, just
Do
kidding.
not tempt me. There's some weird creatures living in this salt lake. Not quite sure what it is. They're going fast, look at them. Look at what's become of my hand after just dipping it in for a second. My friend.
Yeah.
The only thing that's missing? Beer. What do you think?
That looks perfect.
Not bad. About 5 more minutes. Keep the bromance alive, my friend. Then it was back on the road to Shiraz for one last memorable experience. Wow. The Hall of Mirrors. I was in Iraq last year, and it was the first time that I ever saw a mirrored shrine like this. But this is next level. The combination of mirrors and pastel and elaborate tile work, I don't know what I'm seeing here. It's crazy. We are getting very close to call to prayer time. This right here is just beautiful Quran chanting that happens in between the 5 calls to prayer every day. I just was walking around taking some photos, and this lovely young woman came up to me and said something. What did you say?
Welcome to Iran, welcome to Shiraz, to CHERAGH. I'm very happy to see you.
Thank you. As night fell, we enjoyed a fancy dinner of mouth-watering Persian food. Then it was back to the hotel room to dream about my incredible time in Shiraz. But there's so many more stories to tell from my 24 days in Iran. Have you heard of the Lut Desert? How about the stone houses of Kandavan? Please subscribe to see these and more incredible places like Isfahan, Kerman, and Ardabil. Not to mention the mouth-watering Iranian food. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
We'll do an air handshake. How about this? Ah, that's an air handshake. There you go.